Hello guys, it is another unboxing and comparison day. Today I will share with you my latest Yeezy slide pickups. I was able on the last Yeezy drop to pick up a pair in the size Onyx and in a pair in a size Azure. I will also compare them to my original pair that I got on the first drop, which is the ochre, I believe, colorway. These are in the same size as the other ones. This is size 12. The slides do not come in half sizes, so I went with my size 12. I usually would go in the same size. So this is a size 47. Okay, let's go like this. So 47 European is marked as size 12. Usually 46 1/3 size European is marked as size 12. But because they didn't do half sizes on this is like size 12 marked as 47, which I will also show on the boxes of the two new slides that I just picked up. First thing why I bring these ones in the picture, I tell you that these slides I have worn quite a lot, except from a little heel drag on the back. They are still in very good condition. There is a difference though, size wise not that much, but the EVA foam on this is very different than on the new slides. These slides are very I would say sleek on the bottom here, while the new ones, they are a bit more textured here. These ones are completely sleek, very sleek. So there has been a change definitely in the way they are made. At least this is what I think. Okay, without further ado, let's put the old slides away and we will start with box number 1. These ones are the Azure. As I said, size 47 would be size 12 US. And size 12 UK. So everything is size 12, 47. So there is no mid size, this is what it is. So let's say if you're a Yeezy 46 1/3, when I mean Yeezy 350 V2, I would definitely recommend you to go size 47 on these ones. So let's see how this looks. So first pair, Azure Blue. I'll come closer. I don't know if you see here, there is a bit of a texture on this slide, while the other one is completely silky here. This one is a bit texturized, at least here on the top of the slide. Inside, similarly, but not as much as here. Let's say this material is much more stretchy, much more rubber feeling than the ones on the ochre. Let me just check if it's the same on the Onyx pair. Just give me a sec. Okay, so here is the Onyx pair. The Onyx pair should be black, but it's, I would say, like very dark gray, in my opinion. It's not completely black. It's somewhere in between black and dark gray. Again, the texture on the top is the same as on the Azure pair. So there is a bit of let's say rubber that is kind of, there is a bit of a structure on the top. It's not completely smooth as the ochre pair. I try to bring this close to see if you can see the difference. You see, this is completely smooth, while this is not. But it is identical on the blue and the black slide. Only the first slides that I got are a bit different. And also those ones are stiffer. Now when they were worn in, obviously they got a lot softer. And these ones are just, I would say, much softer off the get-go. If I press on this, look at this. This is very bouncy, this piece here. The bottom is the same as it was before, the traction pad. Same on both of the new ones and also on the heritage ones, if we can call the other ones that way. Yeah, so this is what it is. So I would say half size at least up, or at least for sure. You don't need more than half size up, or just go a size. So let's say if you're 46, go for a size 47 and you'll be fine. Fit wise, these two slides fit a tad bigger than this slide, not by a lot, at least in my case, but for sure a bit bigger. And as I say, they are out of the box more comfortable than this slide. They have changed the material for sure. I really like the new material more because it's much more bouncy compared to the one that I got there. So there. What about the color, guys? These ones obviously, maybe in this video they don't look that bright, but they are quite a bright color. Not super bright, but they're not dark for sure. These ones, as I said, they are more very dark gray to black than actual completely black, okay? If you have any questions on the Yeezy slides from the last drop, do leave them down below and I'll be sure to come back to you guys. And for now, this is all, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now. Bye.